Okay guys, for Gold Birds combo today, we have TRC20, Dog BTC, and Ton. TRC20 token. Where is it? This one. But we need to open this TRX blockchain level 15. TRX level 15. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then the last one, 15. Okay, so we open it. Okay, we got it. Second one, Dog BTC under meme coin. This one. Okay, the third one is Influencer. Ton. Tone. Ton. Burston. This one. We need to label at Carlson. We label 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is the last combo. Okay, go ahead. So we got the combo today.